What if I told you there were 3 free AI that you can use to be able to create YouTube videos? Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now of course the first of the 3 AIs that I'm talking about to be able to create your YouTube videos happens to be ChatGPT. Now one of the things I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be popping a really good long prompt in here. Now this prompt tells me I want a 1500 word script and it's to do with how to edit PLR products using AI. Be sure to include points about ChatGPT, TTS, OpenAI, as well as PowerPoint ChatGPT. And I'm just going to hit that and let it create the script. Now, from this particular point, let's move on to the next section. All right, once the script is created, let's just throw that into a Word document here. And we'll be able to check how many words it is. I asked it to create a 1500 word item, so let's have a quick look here. And it's made 1328. That is close enough. Let's move over to the next section. Right, now what I'm going to do is we're going to head over to TTS OpenAI or text-to-speech OpenAI. And of course, this is in the free version. And what we're going to do is we can choose one of these voices. Let's have a quick listen to this one.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
Or Echo.
In the heart of the city, there is a large park.
Fable.
The library is a quiet and peaceful place.
Onyx.
The train chugged along the tracks.
Nova.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked.
Shimmer.
The beach was a popular spot on.
Okay, and then you can also move over here to the system voices and have a look at what they have there. But this is not about TTS OpenAI. What we're going to do is I have now copied that and popped it into a Word document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the first page and we're going to be adding this straight to text-to-speech OpenAI. So let's just paste that straight into there and allow it to create the content. As you can see, it's using up 1700 of 3000 characters. So that's okay. That is exactly what I want to see. And we will just come back once it has created the audio. All right, now let's have a quick listen to this.
How to edit PLR products using AI. When it comes to editing PLR products, things have changed a lot.
That'll do. We don't need to listen to the whole thing. Now, what we need to do is pop this into a folder. Now, I have a folder here already set aside, so I'm just going to go over here, go to that folder, and we will put it straight in here. All right, so this is the folder I want to put this into, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call this one number 1 because I want this to be the first section. I'm just going to save it into that. And I'll go and grab the next part too, so that we got this one here. Go over to the next page. And I suspect it's going to be about 4 or 5 pages long. So I'm just going to be doing 1 page at a time for sake of easeability. And make it easier for me to find what I'm doing. So delete that, Control V. Okay, as you can see, it's well and truly within the range. So we can now create the next one. And we'll be right back. Always double check, because sometimes on the odd occasion this doesn't work. Now let's have a look and see if this is working.
If you've ever struggled with turning a generic PLR ebook into something unique, ChatGPT is the answer. Here's how.
Okay, that worked. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go there, download this, and I'll be calling this one number 2. And the reason I do that is it just makes it easier when I go to put them all together and butt them together. So I'm just going to complete this off screen and just save boring you while I'm doing the entire thing. So I'll just rinse and repeat this part and we'll move on to the next section. Now be aware that you really should make sure you listen to the entire thing. So I listened to a little bit and discovered there was a mistake. So I'm going to not worry about it in this particular case, but do make sure that if you're going to be doing this, that you check to make sure it's not giving you incorrect information. So that's a really important point you need to make sure about. So I'm now going to put this last part into my folder, make that one number 6. There we are. And then let's move on to the next part. Okay, so here we are over at Audacity. Now this is not AI, this particular one, but it's pretty easy to use. I'm just going to grab all the audio and drag it over here and put it over here. Now as you can see, there are 6 lines just here. Now what I need to do is I'm just holding down the control key, using my mouse roller, scrolling back quite a bit. And because I number them 1 to 6, all I need to do is just make sure I grab them in order and put them where I want them. And I'm going to just butt them all together because that is going to make life a lot easier. And just for my own personal sake, just get rid of all those and just export this to where we want it. So I'll be right back as I export this. For my own sake, I'll just call this one audio and place that in here so I know it's the completed one. Then all I have to do is hit export, and that will then export it to where I want it, and it'll be the one I need to use. Now let's head over to the next free item. Now the next free one we're going to be looking at is called CapCuts. Now some people go, oh, you have to pay for CapCuts. No, you don't. Not for this part. All we have to do now is click on here where it says script to video, click on that. Now what I'm going to do, over here on the left hand side, I'm going to scroll over here to where it says other. Then I'm just going to get it to write a very, very small script, say, or create a video about how to use edit PLR using AI. Then all I have to do is hit generate script. Now what that'll do, it'll only take a few seconds and it'll create a really, really small script. But we don't want to keep that script. We want to get rid of that script because it is pointless even having it. So what I'm going to do is go back over to my Word document, and I'm going to highlight over the top of that and go Control A. And then just copy the entire thing. As you can see, I've got all of it copied now. And we're just going to go back over here to where it's got the script, and I'm just going to be adding the script straight in there. Now I'm going to be choosing an AI voiceover, and I'm going to be using the old style American voice. The reason why is it's a little bit faster and a bit easier to use, and I want to use smart generation. In a few minutes, this will create the entire video for me. So I'm just going to pause the video until it's finished. Okay, so let's have a quick listen to this.
How to edit PLR products using AI. When it comes to editing PLR products, things have changed a lot.
Okay, so that's great. Now, there's a few things we need to get rid of. I'm going to be using my mouse key here, my mouse right here, and I'm just going to scroll out so you can see what we have here. Okay, so as you can see, the one in brown is the text. Down here is the actual audio. I'm not sure if that's the music. No, that'll be the music audio. So we can delete that. And right here is the speaking text. So we can also delete that. So I'm just going to scroll back a little bit. I want to make sure that I get rid of all of this here. Get rid of that. And also delete the captions. So I'm going to delete all the captions so it's not there. Because what we're going to be doing next is grabbing that audio we got from 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗁𝗄 OpenAI, and we're going to be adding that straight into here. And that'll go directly underneath here. Now, as you can see, it doesn't quite match up. This is in fact way shorter than the actual video. So what I normally do in this particular case is I look for the frames that are actually the smallest of the frames. Then what I do is I go over here to where it says speed, and then I shorten it up by clicking on that. And what that does, it expands the length. And I look for the shorter of these ones. So there's another one that's a bit shorter. Oh no, that's a bit longer. So go over here, the shorter ones, and we click on that, and then we go like that, and that lengthens it up. You'll also find that there are other ones at the end as well that usually you'll find that are a bit longer. So click on that, go over here to speed, shrink that up, and as you can see, it expands it up as you go. So you just go finding the ones that need to be expanded up, made a bit bigger so that it works, and then you'd have it go all the way. Now I'm just going to roll in a little bit so I can actually see what it's like near here. Now I may need to go find another smaller one somewhere, like this one here. And we go over here to speed, shrink that down, and we are almost right. Now all I need to do now is grab hold of the end, drag it to there, and it's now finished. I literally have the entire video created in only a few minutes. And the best part about it is completely 100% free. Now, if you want to be able to get into YouTube and you want to be able to do it, say for example, you don't speak English or English is not your native language, and you want to be able to have something which is going to get some really good information across to your audience, but also be done free because you don't have a lot of money, this is one of the options you can use. Now let's have a quick watch of this.
How to edit PLR products using AI. When it comes to editing PLR products, things have changed a lot. Back in the day, we had to manually rewrite content, design everything ourselves, and spend hours getting things just right. But now, with the power of AI, this entire process can be automated and made so much easier. Today we're going to talk about how you can use AI to edit PLR products and take them to the next level.
See that? That is so good. I mean, and because you've removed the text, you don't have to try and figure out how to line it up with the text that's on the screen. So by removing the text and removing all the audio, like the music and so forth, you have way less chance of having any issues. And if you want to, you can have it where it's not using audio, or if you want, you can download, say, for example, a YouTube audio that they have on YouTube in the library, in the audio library, and this way you know full well you're not going to be done for copyright. And you can then download this by hitting export and export this as an MP4 to where you want it. As you can see, it's going to be MP4 format. Is export it to the location you want and it will be fine. And the best part, it doesn't leave watermark, which is even better. And you can use this at 1080p resolution. Any higher and you'll have to pay for it. Besides, 1080 HP is really all you need for YouTube. Okay, guys. Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these 3 free AIs that you can use to create YouTube videos. Also, to let you know that right here is a video that I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.